Welcome to our HC3S and Tilda cook-along. We're going to learn how to cook veg and rice so you can eat them to defeat them!
Hi kids, my name is Harv.
My name is Luke and we're from Tilda.
And today we shall be cooking a vegetable of the week.
Kids, can you guess the vegetable?
We can't hear you! Say it louder! Yes, you are right. It is a carrot. Not any carrot, but a bone-chilling carrot. I wonder what we can cook with carrots. I know, maybe a bone-chilling carrot biryani. Let's get started. Time to prep the ingredients. When I say it's crunch time, you say carrots. It's crunch time.
Carrots!
It's crunch time.
Carrots!
Okay kids, here are the ingredients. In order to prep them, I'm going to shout out, it's crunch time, and you say carrots. It's crunch time.
Carrots!
Great job kids. Now let's get cooking. Pour in 2 cups of water. Add in 1 cup of rice. Add in the onions, add in the carrots, add in the vegetable stock, add in the bay leaves, turmeric, garam masala and cumin powder, add in the crushed garlic. Now stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Put on the lid and let it cook. While it cooks, let's find out some facts about bone-chilling carrots and rice. The carrot is usually orange in colour, although purple, red, white and yellow varieties also exist. The orange part of the carrot we eat is called a taproot. Over 1 billion people in the world eat rice. All white rice starts as brown rice. Shall we see if it's ready? It's crunch time!
Carrots!
Now we have cooked a bone-chilling carrot biryani. Thank you for joining in. Are you ready to